In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Manychat with Facebook. This process is straightforward and should take about 5 minutes. Let's dive in and get started with these simple steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Manychat website. If you're not familiar, Manychat is a powerful tool that helps businesses automate their interactions on Facebook Messenger, enabling effective engagement with their audience. Once you're on the website, locate the Sign In button and go ahead and click that. Now you'll be prompted to log into your Manychat account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Assuming you have an account, click on Sign In with Facebook. Why Facebook, you ask? Well, Manychat seamlessly integrates with Facebook, which means you can use your existing Facebook login credentials to access Manychat. This not only saves time but also ensures a smooth transition between the platforms. When you click on Sign In with Facebook, a new window will pop up asking for your Facebook credentials. If you're already logged into Facebook on your browser, this step might be instantaneous, and Manychat will automatically recognize your account. If not, simply enter your Facebook email and password to proceed. It's a secure process, so no need to worry about your personal information being shared. Next, you'll be asked to grant Manychat permission to access your Facebook account. This is crucial because it allows Manychat to manage your Facebook page messages, post content, and retrieve insights from your page, which are integral features of the service. Make sure to review the permissions it's requesting and then click Continue to confirm. Remember, you can adjust these permissions later if needed, but for now it's best to allow full access to take advantage of all that Manychat has to offer. Once Manychat is connected to your Facebook account, you'll be redirected to your Manychat dashboard. This is the hub where you'll manage all your interactions, creating automation rules, managing audience segments, and tracking the performance of your campaigns. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface if you're new. It's quite intuitive and offers various resources to help you get started. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated Manychat with your Facebook account. With this setup, you can now manage communications and leverage Manychat's automation capabilities to interact more effectively with your audience through Facebook Messenger. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to explore the features within Manychat to maximize its potential. Until next time, happy chatting.